How to earn money with Apollo AI. First of all, let's open any web browser and search for Apollo AI website. Once you get the search results, open the first website link to go to the official website. Once you are on the homepage, you need to create an account, or if you have already one, log in to start the process. Once you are on your Apollo dashboard, go to the People section. Here you can use Apollo's data scraping tool to extract valuable contact information and build high quality lead lists. This method helps to connect with potential customers and create target marketing campaigns, turn lead into revenue opportunities. Next, Apollo AI email automation. This tool lets you automate personalized email campaigns. You can help businesses optimize their email marketing strategies by crafting high converting email sequences. Many companies will pay for effective outreach that increases engagement and sales. Finally, Apollo AI data enrichment. This feature provides detailed insights about leads and businesses. You can sell enriched data to sales team or marketers who need accurate and up-to-date information to boost their results. You can create a powerful system to grow your business and boost your earnings. And that's it. This is how you can earn money with Apollo AI. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.